Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony here, CCxRC. We're at the campground getting ready to go out and hit the trails. There's going to be some rock crawling, some trailing through the woods, and so we're going to give the TRX4 a real test of its abilities. I haven't had it out much. I just actually only had it out the one time for the test when I first got it, and you guys are asking about it, so we're going to put it through hours of driving this weekend and let you know what we think when we're done. Just kind of beat it up on the rocks and the trails. Run the SCX10, the SCX10-2, kind of compare it between the two in a later point, but I want to run them all at the same time so I can tell you how I feel about them running one right after the other. So we're going to get out there and do it. We've got some rules for the comp, and we'll get to that.
Follow the leader style. The driver tries to flip everybody else in the crowd. If you flip in the process of trying to make your line, then you go to the back of the line. Second place takes over the lead and see who can lead the longest and stump everybody else.
I like those rules.
Sounds good.
I like it. What truck do we got here? Is this a SCX10 or this is a
SCX10?
the Traxxas? This is a Ascender? What do we got here? SCX10 as well, and then RC 4-wheel drive Trail Finder. Two. And we got a sawback. It's all different kinds. What kind of line is that? Yeah. Okay, ain't no way I'm making that. But
I didn't even watch it.
I just looked about the tires.
Did I make it on that?
Yeah, you made it.
Zach, I got it back.
That's no problem for you, huh?
I'm cheating. I told you I'm cheating. You know? I knew it was. Because I drove Frank instead of this.
I don't have mine drilled out yet. This hill.
See, Cap, this thing's faster than the Mustang is.
I see that.
Faster than 22 it looks like. It almost stopped going up, you know. It's just...
There's that hammerhead.
Oh look, we both about banned. That was too cool.